While I was in Sebring, I got a chance to shoot the shit with Jesse P, and I picked up some new stuff for my whoop, right? So I'm gonna build a little whoop here and see where it goes, because tonight at CDR we got some races going on at Mad Labs, and from what I've seen, it's gonna be really cool. So let's get this thing together. All right. I don't see an arrow. What I'm guessing, the back is the back. Like that. Let's do that. Bada bing. Right? And it comes with all the grommets and screws. And I picked up some Saucy Motors in red, right? So let's take care of that. Saucy Motors in red. TinyWhoop.com. We'll leave them in there for the second, or should we? Let's take these out and mount the board. Can I get to the USB? Yes. Right? Oops. Saucy Motors. Put the grommets in. Grommets. Grommets. That's a tiny screw. Now that the grommets are in, wow, this fits so nice. There's the BeeBrain installed. Let's put some tiny screws in it. All right, there's the BeeBrain. Now for the special sauce motors. And I have to look at a different one to figure out which way it goes. Which way does it go? Let me go look at the other one. Black and white, black and white, black and white, black and white, black and white. Okay. If this is the rear, Black and white goes here. Okay. Oh, I don't want to fit. Oh, that's tight. It don't want to fit. How can I push it out? I need something to push it out. Oh, I'm gonna break this new frame. One more. Okay. There it is. Motors, BeeBrain. We have to plug these in now and plug that in now. We got a battery. We need a camera. I got a camera. Where's the camera? Here's the camera. I have to decase it and I have to solder it to the board. So let's switch this tip to the tiny one. Uh-oh. Okay. And start it up. Get some solder down here. This is, I'm assuming that the USB is at the back, right? So the camera goes to the front. And where's the pads that I gotta solder to? Right here are the pads that I solder to, right there. So the camera doesn't have to go far. So we're gonna cut it right here. Save this for later. Those are ready. This is ready. Positive to the outside. Okay, so let's tin up the camera. Okay, now we got to do positive to the outside. Okay, that's that. Let's get this camera piece off of here. There it goes. Come on, baby. Let's see what kind of camera mount I have. I know I printed one. Are these both the same angle? This one's a little smaller. Alright, so now we have to take out these 3 screws and mount this in there. Okay, so let's do that. We're getting there. What else do we got to do? We got to hook it up to Betaflight, right? And make sure all the stuff's spinning correctly. So let's plug them in just for shits and grins. Right? This makes it so no soldering. Well, we just did solder, didn't we? Come on. Alright, they're all hooked up. The BeeBrain is installed. The camera's installed. The motors are installed. I just gotta do the glue. Let's do the glue. All right, we'll use this as the glue, and we're going to use a toothpick. All right. And I'm going to do, oh yeah, where do you wipe it? Yuck. We're going to do all the blades. On both sides. You see what I'm doing? I'm putting some glue on the inside and outside of all the wings here. Oh, these are a little backwards. Now I'm a lefty. All right, that's one. All right, now we're going to install them. So the camera kind of picks them up like Jesse P's got his set up. Let's see. Q-tip. I don't have a Q-tip. All right, I need some props. What kind of props do you got? I ain't got no props. I do, but standard white. That's an old one. Alright, there it is, the brain, the tiny whoop with Saucy Motors and all tatted up. Alright, so what's next? Next is to charge all my batteries and get whooping for tonight. Right? I might put a dipole on there. I bought one just in case. Right here. The TBS dipole. I like to do mine where it lays back like this. You see what I'm doing there? But we'll leave it, since we'll be indoors today ripping around. Let's just leave it, and when I break that one I'll solder this one on. But that's why I got it. So this whoop is whooped. Let's hook her up to Betaflight.